Hi there everybody, and welcome to another little Hodgy's kitchen recipe. This is called cider, leek and chicken gratin. I have to be honest, I didn't even know what a gratin was. Anyway, I made it yesterday, and trust me, it is really tasty, so you ought to try this. So here are the ingredients. First, add 25 grams of butter. Brown and seal half the meat and remove it from the pan, and then do the same with the second half and also remove that. Now add the second 25 grams of butter. Add the chopped leeks. Now add what looks like a urine specimen, but it's definitely the 150 ml cider. Add a heaped teaspoon of Dijon mustard and quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika. Next add the double cream. Mix it well and add salt and pepper. Finally, add in the chicken and stir well. Transfer it to an oven-proof dish. Cover it with a sliced potato, sprinkle a bit of paprika over the top, and put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees. So there you have it, folks. That is Hodgy's kitchen version of cider, leek and chicken gratin. Hope you enjoy it. See you again. Bye.